So I was literally about to shoot a video when this came to the door, and we decided to just make the video about this that came to the door. I've never heard of this before. Take My Face Off is a Los Angeles-based company that creates reusable skin cleansing products that are genius. A couple years ago, our founder decided she was sick of skin cleansing aids like washcloths, cotton balls, blah, 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 blah. These are reusable, luxurious, skin-loving, highly effective, and stylish. The way we see it, you deserve better, and so does the planet. So, I got this really cute package, okay? I'm gonna show you guys it here, right? And it has a Jamie Makeup Take My Face Off. I'm really just getting this right now, but I'm gonna pull one out and they look like this, and you put your hand inside like that. They're small and mighty, and they remove makeup without tugging sensitive skin. Use the round edge for the eyelids and brows, and then turn it over for the lash line. You can use it with your favorite cleansers. By the way, I'm not getting paid for this. Never even seen this before. It just came in the mail, and I thought, why not make a video? This is perfect timing. The Blackout Pro. Oh, there's two. Oh, guys, I'm just learning right now. There's two. So there's the Blackout Pro and the Mitty Pro. So you can dampen these for a little bit more sensitive removal. In addition to dissolving makeup and grime, comes in a set of 3, and I guess you can hard wash and air dry, throw in the washing machine, can be used on lash extensions, removes long wear lipstick. Wow, this is crazy. Guys, I'm just gonna go at it and see if this really does work. So I'm gonna just take off this side of my face. Whoa. Taking it off. Whoa, y'all. Oh my God, this is really taking everything off. I mean, I still have a little eye makeup on. Should we get in there? Get in there? I just dampened it a little bit with some water. So let's see how that works. Wow, it's taking all the glitter off. That's not easy to do. Now, because I'm using so much glitter, I'm gonna try using a little of this oil. So this one's a little bigger than the black one. Oh wow, they're on there. But you could never do that with a washcloth. Now I can just like return those. Look at that, guys. So you can see all my true imperfections. That really worked. The Mitty Pro and the Mitty Blackout Pro. Who would have thunk? And I can just throw them in the wash and we're done. Love it. Thanks, guys. Comment below. Tell me what you want to see. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on everything. Jamie Makeup. What's wrong with you? Get with the program. Have a great day. See you next week.